Good morning, my sixth grade dear students. Here is Muhammad Berri. Hope you are doing well. Okay, today we're going to talk about the cube and the cuboid. The last term, or the first term, we took the cube and the cuboid, and we know how to get the volume of the cube and the volume of the cuboid from the outside shape. Okay, today, in this term, we're going to take the lateral surface area and the total surface area. Okay, let's start to revise what is the cube, or what was the properties of the cube. Okay, as we know, the cube has 12 edges and 8 vertices and 6 faces. And of course, each face is on a square shape. I think that you are remembering this. And how we can get the volume of the cube, side times side times side, or edge times edge times edge. Very well. Today we're going to see how we can get the lateral surface area of the cube. What is the meaning of lateral surface area? Okay. Let's imagine that we have a room, or imagine your bedroom, and we want to paint the 4 walls around you. We have to know the area of each wall, and then we add them to each other. The first wall plus the second wall plus the third wall plus the fourth wall. And then we can find how much painting we can get to paint these walls. So, first we have to get the first wall's area, which is the area of the base, for example. Okay, times 4. Why times 4? Because we have 4 walls in the room, same as the cube. The cube also has 4 walls, exclude the ceiling and the floor. Only the lateral surface area, we count the walls surrounding us, but the ceiling and the floor, we don't count it. So we have to get the area of the first wall, and we multiply it by 4, because all the walls are equal. Very good. So the lateral surface area, the abbreviation of the lateral surface area is LA, lateral surface area. Okay? So we write it like LA. What is the rule? The area of the base or of the wall times what? Excellent, yes, times 4. So how we can get the area of one face, or one wall, or one base? As we know that each wall or each face is on the square shape. So what is the area of the square? Yes, excellent, side times side. And then, after this, we multiply it by 4. Okay, as we know, in the repeated multiplicative, or repeated multiplication, when we multiply a number by itself, we can change it to s to the power 2, like here. Side times side, it means s squared, or s to the power 2, times 4. So the rule of the lateral surface area of the cube is, excellent, side squared times 4. Very good. Okay. What about if I need to paint the whole room with the ceiling and the floor? the same color. For example, I need to paint it, all of it white. How can I get the total area? Here is the total area, which is the 4 walls plus the ceiling and the floor. Total area. The same idea. We get only the area of one face, and then we multiply it by 6. Excellent, because we have 6 faces, as we said before. 6 equal faces. So we can get the total surface area by multiplying the area of one face times 6. The area of one face is s to the power 2, and then we multiply it by 6. Okay, for example, calculate the lateral area and the total area of a cube whose edge length is 5 centimeters. So now we have the edge length or the side length of the cube equals 5 centimeters. Excellent. How we can get the lateral and the total surface area? Okay, we said that LA means lateral. And what is the rule of the lateral surface area? S squared, which is the side square, times, yes, excellent, 4. So the side length is equal 5 square times 4. 5 to the power 2 equals, excellent, 25 times 4, which is equal 100 centimeters square. Why square? Because it is a area. And don't forget, please, the units. So now we got the lateral surface area. How we can get the total surface area? The total area side square times 6. Excellent. Again, so it's 5 square times 6, which is equal 25 times 6 equals 150 centimeters square. And please don't forget the rule, the unit. I think it's easy, right? Okay. Let's see another example. If the perimeter of one face of a cube is 32 centimeters, find its lateral area and total area and the volume. Yes. Okay. First of all, we have the perimeter of one face. Do you remember how can we find the side out of the perimeter if we have a square? Yes, excellent. We divide the perimeter by 4 to find or to get the edge or the side. So 32 divided 4 side length equals 32, which is the perimeter of one face, and the face is on a square shape. So to get the side, we divide it by 4, which is equal 8 centimeters. Now we have the edge, or we have the side. Can we get the lateral area and the total area and the volume? Yes. Now it's very easy. The lateral area equals side square times 4, which is equals 8 to the power 2, or 8 squared times 4, equals 256 centimeters square. What about the total area? Yes, S squared times 6, because there's 6 faces in the cube. 8 squared times 4. Sorry, times 6, excuse me. Times 6 equals 384 centimeters squared. Who can tell me how can I get the volume? Yes, excellent. The volume is side times side times side. Who can tell me, and instead of multiplying side times side times side, what can I say? Or how can I replace side times side times side? Yes, repeated multiplication, which is side to the power 3, or side cube. So the side is equals 8. 8 to the power 3, or 8 cube, is equal 512 centimeter cube. Don't forget the unit, please. Okay, let's see another example. If the total area of a cube is 54 centimeters square, find its lateral area. Okay, now it's somehow tricky. He's giving us the total area and he needs the lateral area, right? Type. How we can get the lateral area out of the total area? We can't, because we have to find first the edge. How we can get the edge out of the total area? We're going to do the magic triangle. Here is the total area. And what is the rule of the total area? Excellent. It's S to the power 2 times 6. So now we need to find the S, or the side. How we can get the side? Excellent. It's total area divided 6. So S equals total area divided 6. Oh, but wait, we have here power 2, which means S times S. It's not only one S, or it's not only one side, it's 2 sides. Okay, to cancel the power 2, we have to put all of this under the square root. Very good. So let's substitute. What is the total area? It is 54. 54 divided 6 equals, excellent, equals 9. Is this the answer of the side? No. Or is this the length of the side? No. We have to put it under the square root. So square root to the 9 equals 3 centimeters. Okay, now we have the side. Can we get the lateral area? Of course we can. The lateral area is equal side squared times 4. Side square, we have the side now equals 3 over 2 times 4, which is equals 9 times 4, equals 36 centimeters. Sorry, the board here. Centimeter square. Okay, let's see another example. If the volume of a cube is 1000 centimeter cube, find the lateral area and the total area. Now we have the volume. Can we get the side out of the volume? Yes, of course. It's very easy. As you remember before, from the first term, to get the side or the edge out of the volume, we do cubic root to the volume. And the cubic root to the volume, 1000, equals 10 centimeters. Now, we got the side. And I think it's very easy to find the lateral area and the total area. How? The lateral area equals side square times 4, which means 10 to the power 2 times 4, which is equal 400 centimeters square. Sorry, here we don't have square, excuse me. The side is only with the centimeter. Okay. What about the total area? Side square times 6. Very good. 10 to the power 2 times 6, which is equal 600 centimeters square. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself, please, and don't forget to wash your hands. Goodbye.